In this video, I'll show you how to manage the ordering of terms. First, let's go to Dashboard, then click Product Filters. Click on Form Style, then select any filter option. For this example, we'll choose the category option. In the optional settings, you'll find an option, Order Values or Terms By. From here, you can order the terms in several ways. Alphabetical, numeric, month and year, menu order, and by product count. You can also order by direction. It could be ascending or descending. Now let's sort for terms alphabetically in ascending order. So select alphabetical and the order direction is ascending. Now click Save Changes. Now visit the shop page and reload the page. You can see that the category options are displayed in alphabetical order. You can apply the same alphabetical ordering to the other filters option. For number-based terms, we can use numeric order. For example, let's apply this to our attribute for manufacturer model. So from here, now select numeric and let the order direction be descending. Then click Save Changes. Now visit the shop page and if you see the manufacturer order displaying by menu order, but now if you reload the page, then see it's displaying in descending order. We can also order by month and year. So for month and year, let's choose the attribute release year. And from optional settings, let's change the order values by terms to month and year and the order direction descending. Now click Save Changes. Now if you visit the shop page and reload the page, then you'll see the releasing year is coming in descending order and we have more option. Click Menu Order and let the order direction ascending as we have added menu order in brand. So if we visit the brand page, you can see the default ordering. So if you visit the shop page and it's showing like this as we have added here menu order. So click Save Changes. If you change any order from your menu option, it will automatically change to your shop page. So reload the page. If you see the changes are not happening, that means you need to clear the cache. So for that, let's go back to our plugin dashboard and click Advanced Settings. And here is an option, Clear Cache. Click here. Now if you visit the shop page and reload the page, see the terms has been changed as menu order. So let's move to our next order terms is product count, and for that you need to must enable show and hide number of products. So for this we'll go with category option and enable the show or hide number of products. Let's enable this and choose the order and terms value to product count and let the order direction be ascending. Now click Save Changes. Now visit the shop page and you will see the category will appear with their count number here and in a ascending order. So reload the page. So the category coming is a ascending order with product count. So in this way you can set terms ordering for each filter option based on your needs.